Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to disable the waiting room feature in Zoom using the web settings. This will allow participants to join your meeting instantly without needing approval. Let's get started. First, go to zoom.us and sign into your account. Once logged in, click on My Account at the top right corner. On the left sidebar, click Settings. Then, under the Meeting tab, find the Security section. Here you will see the waiting room option. To turn it off, simply click the toggle button. Now, participants will be able to join your Zoom meetings without waiting for approval. And that's it! You've successfully disabled the waiting room in Zoom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching!